Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this really nice wooden outdoor cabinet that I got sent. Now this thing is awesome. I will say this was like a one-person setup. It took me about an hour to do the whole thing, and of all of the things I have set up, this one was amazing because everything was labeled perfectly. The screws were labeled, the pieces were labeled. It was not that kind of mumbo jumbo when you're just trying to put things together, which can be so frustrating, and then it feels like it's never put together correctly. This was not like that. This was literally so simple, so laid out perfectly. I am a huge fan. Now, first of all, is this really pretty wooden color. I absolutely love this. And then it's got a nice serving top, which I'll show you in just a minute. Nice like stainless steel serving top, so you could serve food on this. It serves as just like a really nice area to place things, and it is just so cute. So I'm going to open it up and show it to you. Now these are magnetic doors that latch together, so I'll open both of those up. There's shelving on one side and then a taller section on the other side, so you could store larger things if you wanted to. But these shelves, I just wanted to show you, this is mostly for my house going to be used to store my little kids' toys that are outside so that my yard doesn't look as junky. This is a great place to store them. It is plenty large to store a lot of things, but it's not too big that it takes up too much space. And I am super excited about how this looks on my front porch in between my two porch swings. This is just perfect. So like I said, magnetic close, which is super nice, so those are going to stay closed a lot better than non-magnetic, which I totally love. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the phone right here and just kind of give you guys a close-up. So here is the serving top right here. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice kind of stainless steel looking material, and this is so nice. You could serve food on this. This could be used to just hold your drinks, whatever you wanted, but that's what it looks like on top, which I absolutely love. And then here is just another look, really nice and up close. Beautiful wood. I absolutely love the stain on it. And then I love the shelves. You can take these out if you want to. They're not screwed in, so you can just lift them out if you didn't want them, or if you only wanted a couple of them, or if you wanted to kind of separate them out, you could totally do that too. You guys, this is absolutely amazing. Like I said, really nice, quick, easy put together, beautiful addition. I absolutely love this, and I highly recommend hopping on and checking this one out.